My name is Lauren Green. I'm the owner and executive director of Dancing with Markers. I got involved with Better Bus because they were planning community pop-up events and they wanted a way to bring the community voice in a really creative way. One of the things that we can do uniquely as visual note takers is create what we call knowledge walls. We put up a blank sheet of paper, we write a question, and oftentimes we will visualize the participants' comments. When I came to the first Better Bus event, I'm used to going into a quiet conference room, having a lot of space, and this event was popcorn everywhere and people running around and balloons and kids, and it was just so much life. I just really loved being a part of such a special event. You could just tell the energy was so positive. Our work is really a research tool, and we can communicate an idea better through drawing and through visuals than we can with words alone. It creates a visual anchor that people will really sink in, and when we remember information and what happened better, we can make better decisions. Our visuals tell a story, and when you look across the visuals, you can get data, and you can use that data to make decisions that are going to benefit the community. The general manager of Metro did attend one of the first events that we did, and it was really interesting to kind of walk him through the graphic and to see the data, and he really did a nice job of taking it in, and you could see that he really cared genuinely about this event and what the people were saying that they wanted. People live their lives on the bus. It's what enables them to go see their friends, go see their family, and whenever you do design thinking, what that means is you start with the user in mind, and you make all of your decisions with the person you're trying to serve right at the forefront. And I really think that that's what Metro Bus is trying to do with the Better Bus initiative.